What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing some really easy Dollar Tree home decor DIYs. So today we're going to make these DIYs super easy and super fast. Not going to make this introduction too long, so let's jump right into the first DIY. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start out with a good old candle holder. And for this, I'm going to be using a vase and a candle holder from Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and glue these together. And as you can see on this smaller candle holder, it goes right into the mouth of the vase. And then on the opposite side of the vase, I'm just going to put a good amount of hot glue and then glue this glass tray that's originally from Dollar Tree that I had painted like a terracotta style beforehand. This sample paint that I'm using is from Lowe's and it's in alpaca. I believe that's what it says right there. And it's kind of old, so it's nice and thick, which I actually don't mind because it gives this a little bit more texture. I found this really cute wall art at Big Lots for $20, but I did not want to pay $20 for it. And it looks nice and simple, so I thought I could recreate it using Dollar Tree stuff. And here I am using 4 of these Dollar Tree frames. I do remove everything from them, especially the little clothespins, because I save them for future projects. And I'm just going to go ahead and glue these kind of to resemble the original sign. And I do actually like the wood grain on the frame, but I am going to actually paint this a different color. I typically go for the matte finish, but this one is in satin and it's just Rust-Oleum in ivory silk, and I'm going to spray paint the entire frame after I glue it. To make my designs, I typically use my CANVA app, which I will have linked down in the description down below. So right here I'll show you guys, I pretty much just followed everything that was on the original sign. I did change up the fonts a little bit. You guys will see what fonts I used as well as what sizes. And these are also the sizes that I used to print out my actual paper. This app is free, but I use a lot of pro effects that cost a little extra. Either way, I will be sharing the link to this template down below. Once the designs are done, I am going to be using some cardstock to print everything out. So we definitely kept it under $20. I spent $4 on the frames and not really going to count the cost of the cardstock. I will actually link down the printer down below as well. This is the printer that I use for all of my printing and all of my designs. It is going to be linked through my Amazon storefront. Sometimes I find stuff at Dollar Tree where it doesn't really belong, so just kind of strolling along, I found some really cute hanging hooks or home decor in the cat section. So if you guys don't find it where the home decor is, you might want to try just going down the aisles and see what you can find. Now, I always try to save everything from anything that I buy at Dollar Tree that has screws or sawtooth hangers or any type of accessory or hardware on it. I save it just for future, and then I am going to be gluing the 3 of them together. And I also took one of these Dollar Tree wooden planks and stapled it to the back just to keep it secure. And you can just leave the sawtooth hangers that are on the sides, or you can add one right to the middle. Per usual, I don't really use craft paint that often. I'm always going to be using house paint, and this is from Home Depot. It's bare in matte white, and as you guys can see, I do have a gallon of it, so it's going to last me quite a while. I always just love using it because it's thicker and it just makes things look a little bit more high quality. And then I did buy these stickers at Hobby Lobby, but they also have a ton of different kinds that you can find at Dollar Tree. If you can't find them in store, these are usually the ones that I get, like the ones that are in the black bold color. If you can't find them at the store, you can always look online. do enjoy videos like this, make sure you guys let me know in the comments down below. And then also make sure you become part of the DIY family. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and hit the notification so you're notified every time I upload a video. I know there's always a lot of ideas of tier trays going around, but I really like this one because you can actually spin it and you can also decorate it to fit your style and then also your season. So with spring right around the corner, you guys know Dollar Tree is coming out with all of their spring stuff. On my last trip to Dollar Tree, I found these planter trolleys, so I picked up several of these. And again, I thought this would be perfect just so that you can have a spinning tiered tray instead of just one that kind of sits there. And this doesn't necessarily have to sit on a countertop. You could always put it outside. I don't know, use it for like your summer vibes or whatever. And then I also had those two Dollar Tree candle holders that I am reusing from a different Dollar Tree DIY. And that's a napkin ring holder from Dollar Tree as well. Just glued everything together. And then I'm going to take this outside and spray it down with this Rust-Oleum paint and primer in flat white. I always try to use flat paint. Once in a while I get the wrong paint, like the satin one, but that's alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down and then bring it back inside and decorate it. So Dollar Tree always has tons of frames, but these are some that are regular to my store. They're the size 11 by 14 and they just have the regular black trim. Not trim, but frame. I picked up 4 of these, and then I also went to where they have like all their decals and like wall stickers and that. And then I found this particular one that I really like that I think looks like, you know, high-endish for like that high-end decor. And really, honestly, I'm just going to take everything out of the frame. And then I am using some vinyl just because that's the only thing that I had that was big enough to fit here that had a white background. So you guys can use cardstock if you have it in that size, or poster board if you have it also. I guess I could have used poster board, but either way. So at this point, my Dollar Tree was still $1. Just the other day I went actually and it was $1.25, so I'm kind of upset about that, but whatever. So at this point I had spent $5, $1 on the stickers, and then $1 on each frame. So $5. Not going to count the price of the vinyl just because I already had it, but I think these came out great. Come to the end of the video once again. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I would love to know which one of these DIYs is your favorite. Definitely let me know in the comments down below. Of course, if you did enjoy it, you guys know what to do. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below, and especially don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.